What's going on, guys? Rods Over Bricks here. So yet again, another 130 brushed motored RC car, 1/28 scale. This one here is built for drag racing. As you can see, it's a brass chassis. I kind of slapped all together. It is using some slot car tires, and here we go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and power this thing on. Plug that in and get the body to fit on it. Okay, here's the little untested dual 130 motored brushed car on 4S. I'm just gonna make sure we're all trimmed out. And like I said, this thing is on 4S and it is untested, so we'll see how this thing goes. All right, guys, here's the first test of the drag car. It is 1/28 scale, powered by dual 130 motors running on 4S. I think I've got it pretty well trimmed. The tires are not prepped, nor is the surface, but here we go in 3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ, that thing's gonna be fast. These are the kind of shots I love here, where it's going like a walking speed and then you just gun it. Now I had to shoot it in slow motion, but I thought it was getting wheel hop, and here it is. Well, that's the most it can turn, but watch this thing just freaking accelerate. Okay, ready? We're gonna punch it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, from a standstill in 3, 2, 1. So it looks like I'm having some problems with the ESC. It's a 10 amp continuous, but I think these two 130 motors is just a little bit much for it. So I'm getting cut off after about 2 seconds. But, you know, all it needs to do is travel about 45 feet. So 3, 2, 1. God, the acceleration of this thing is just crazy. Getting a lot of wheel hop in the back. Well, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you guys want me to show this thing up close, let me know and I can make a nice video on it. Anyways, have a good one, and I'll see you on the next.